Hi, this is John Hopkins with Suncor Outdoors again out at the Williamson project. We're looking at the deck now, and as you can see, the deck is just about a year old or a little over a year old. We have color already coming up off of it. It's all going to have to be reshot for color and resealed. As you look at that, we've been moving over to the spray deck now, and it's hard to see because the sun's not real bright today, but you can see the white underneath the paint where they didn't get a thick enough coat down. We're going to have to reshoot all this. And if you look in front of us, you'll see a deco drain, a small channel drain run down. Normally you don't want to do that. It's good for the first year or two, but they pack full of dirt. You normally want to see deck drains in your deck, 4-inch drains running through your deck, so you can get the water out of here in our torrential rainfalls that we get. One other thing with this deck that you want to keep in mind, there's a lot of slope coming off the pool. It's shot 2 to 4 inches high in areas and slope back towards the house. And that's one thing you definitely don't want to do in the Houston area with the rains that we have.